Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're retackling a super common check engine light code that pops up on a lot of GMC vehicles. P0171, which means system to lean. If you've seen this code, don't panic. We're going to break down exactly what it means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. So, grab your coffee, and let's get into it. First off, what does system to lean even mean? In simple terms, your engine's computer, or ECU, is detecting that there's too much air and not enough fuel in the air-fuel mixture. Your engine needs a precise ratio of air to fuel to run efficiently. When the ECU sees this imbalance, it tries to compensate by adding more fuel. This is called fuel trim. When it has to add too much fuel for too long, it triggers the P0171 code and turns on that pesky check engine light. So, why is your GMC running lean? There are a few common culprits, and the most frequent one is a vacuum leak. Think of it like a tiny, unwanted straw sucking extra air into your engine. This air isn't being measured by the mass airflow sensor, so it throws off the whole calculation. Vacuum leaks can come from cracked hoses, a bad intake manifold gasket, or a leaky PCV valve. A simple visual inspection of all the rubber hoses in your engine bay is a great place to start. Look for anything that looks cracked, brittle, or disconnected. Another very common cause is a dirty or failing mass airflow sensor, or MAIF sensor. This sensor is the gatekeeper. It tells the ECU exactly how much air is entering the engine. If it's dirty, it can't measure the airflow correctly and gives the computer bad data, leading to a lean condition. Sometimes, a simple cleaning with a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner spray can solve the problem. Just be gently. It's a delicate component. What about the fuel side of the equation? A lean code isn't always about too much air. It can also be caused by not enough fuel. This could be due to a weak fuel pump that isn't delivering enough pressure, or clogged fuel injectors that aren't spraying enough fuel into the cylinders. A clogged fuel filter can also restrict fuel flow. If you suspect a fuel delivery issue, you might notice other symptoms like a loss of power, hesitation during acceleration, or difficulty starting the engine. Let's not forget the oxygen sensors. Your GMC has at least two of them. The upstream O2 sensor, located before the catalytic converter, is a primary player in fuel trim adjustments. If this sensor is old, lazy, or failing, it might incorrectly tell the ECU that the mixture is lean. Try cleaning it first. Number 3, fuel delivery problems, like a weak pump or clogged injectors. And number 4, a failing front oxygen sensor. Fixing a P0171 code is usually very manageable. By starting with the simplest and most common causes, you can often solve the problem without a trip to the mechanic. A quick inspection and a can of MAF sensor cleaner might be all you need. I hope this guide helps you demystify that P0171 code. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY auto repair tips. Drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with this code and what the fix was for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.